Smart contracts and tokenization have been rapidly transforming industries ranging from finance and transportation to food and healthcare. Yet many of the projects in this space have not quite delivered on the true potential of this technology by failing to tie it to the real-world problems that need solutions. Welcome to the Solar Oil Project, the world's first project that solves a major environmental crisis using the power of decentralized tokenization while allowing you to benefit from the trillion-dollar energy industry. One of the greatest ecological and economic challenges facing the world today is that of abandoned oil wells. In the U.S. state of Texas alone, taxpayers will have to spend over $117 billion just to clean up old oil wells that are no longer viable due to antiquated technology. There are hundreds of thousands of these oil wells across the United States alone, and so far, no one has made a concerted effort to correct this global issue. The Solar Oil Token, SOAX, is a revolutionary smart contract token that gives you access to the Solar Oil Project, a platform that connects abandoned oil wells with operators and manufacturers that can revitalize and turn these abandoned wells into fully functional and profitable oil production sites. The process is extremely simple and yet incredibly powerful. Select how many SOAX tokens you would like to purchase. Then, log into the Solar Oil Project platform and select any of the abandoned oil well properties that you would like to help revitalize. Next, click the Stake SOAX option. Select how many tokens you'd like to stake. And now the platform goes to work for you. As tokens are staked, oil well operators install new eco-friendly solar-powered equipment that makes these oil wells productive and profitable. From the day you stake your SOAX tokens for the next 10 years, these wells will produce multiple barrels of oil every single day. The oil production from these wells is then tokenized and issued in the form of a second token, SOPX, or Solar Oil Production, an asset-backed token pegged to the global WTI crude oil price. These tokens are 100% backed by the oil reserves and can be liquidated based on the current price of WTI at any time you wish. Smart contracts power every step from your token purchase to the staking to the solar oil production and even the sale of solar oil tokens. This means no human involvement, no accounting issues, no delays, and 100% transparency all through the process. The rewards from the oil production are issued directly to your wallet. This process is fully automated, ensuring no mistakes and no fraud. Of course, there are a lot of moving pieces in the background that make this process work seamlessly for you, the SOAX token holder. But in general terms, you now have the opportunity to purchase tokens, stake them, and receive the oil produced from the wells that your tokens represent. The more SOAX tokens you stake, the more oil you receive in the form of SOPX over the next 10 years. To get more details, just click the Learn More button, or if you're ready to enter the world of tokenized solar oil production, click the Get Started button below. Join us as we spearhead the next energy revolution.